Hello guys, for this video we're going to be taking a look at topic 3, which is all about toys. Remember to use these videos to help you practice. So this is video number 1 to learn your new words, and then remember you can watch video number 2 to learn how to say your sentences, and then you can also play the online games. Right, so let's talk about toys. So what do we know about toys and what do we do with them? We know, and we said in class, that toys are things that we play with, and we play with them because we want to have fun. Toys are supposed to make you feel happy inside, or they make you feel excited. Or somebody said sometimes we play with toys to get tired, maybe before we want to sleep or something like that. But the main thing is a toy is something that we play with. And if you look at the pictures here are some toys that we know. So here we have like a robot dog. There's some Lego over here. This is a doll. This is a top. Over here we have a Nerf gun. Over here we have slime. Okay, here we have the Peppa Pig puppet. This one is a car. Over here is a ball. This is a yo-yo. Over here we have a puzzle. This is a kite. And this one here is a frisbee. And we said that we can play with each one of these in different ways. So like a yo-yo, we play with it by spinning it, right? Or like the truck, you can play with this one by pushing it. A bicycle, we ride a bicycle. Or like a robot, you can push the buttons to make it do things. Or like cars, if they're the small ones, you can push or sometimes pull them and they will move. Or maybe it's like the bigger cars where you can sit inside and you can actually ride them. Or like a robot, like the Transformer, this one can be a car or it can be a robot that we can play with. Right, so let's learn the toy vocabulary words for this unit. All right, so the first one here is a ball. A ball. So to write this one, it's A space B-A-L-L, a ball. And here you can see we have a baseball. This is a soccer ball. Here we have a beach ball. This one is a basketball. Here is a tennis ball. And this one is a football. And we said balls, you can do different things to them. You can hit them. You can kick them. You can throw them. We can bounce them. Right? Many different things that you can do to a ball to play with it. Right? So your next toy here is a car. A car. So this is A space C-A-R, a car, right? And you get different kinds, like the ones here for babies, where they can sit and push, or you get ones like this, where you can actually ride it yourself, or you get the little toy ones that you can push as well, or maybe like a robot remote control car, like this one here. You can make it ride around. So this is a car. Your next one here is a doll, a doll. So this is A space D-O-L-L, a doll. And dolls, they are normally very soft like this one, or you can get the harder action figure ones like Barbies, right? Or here you can play with them in a dollhouse. And then we said for a boy can also play with a doll, but sometimes we call the boy dolls action figures. They actually have a different name. This one here is a kite, a kite. So this is A space K-I-T-E, a kite, right? And here kites, they normally have a diamond shape. We give them lots of nice colors. And we said you need to play with these ones outside because we need the wind, right? So here you can see there's a different one like a pirate ship, or this one looks like a bat or maybe like a bird. This one here is like an insect. So these are kites. The next one here is a robot, a robot. So this is A space R-O-B-O-T, a robot. And normally robots, they have lots of buttons that you can push. Some of them, they can move or walk or run. Some of them can talk or say things, or they shine lights or spin. So this is a robot. Your next one here is a yo-yo, a yo-yo. So to write this one, it's A space Y-O-Y-O, right? And a yo-yo, like we said, you play with it by spinning it. And normally yo-yos are many different colors, or they have lights, or you can get something like the Spider-Man yo-yo over here. Your next one here is a top, a top. So to write this one, it is A space T-O-P, a top. And a top, you spin them. So we can use ones like this with your fingers, or ones like this where you wrap the string and then you throw it and pull, and it can make it spin. So this is a top. Your next one here is a puzzle. A puzzle. So this is A space P-U-Z-Z-L-E, a puzzle. And a puzzle is a picture that we want to build, and we use pieces like this to make the picture. So here we have like a Pokemon puzzle, and here is like a space puzzle. So this is a puzzle. And then the last one is a block. A block. So to write this one, it is A space B-L-O-C-K, a block. And blocks, we can build things with them, right? Like Lego, or we can learn our ABCs or colors, or maybe even shapes by using blocks. Very good for your brain. So again, your words are a block, a puzzle, a top, a yo-yo, a robot, a kite, a doll, a car, and a ball. Right, so please go and practice with this video to learn how to say your words, and then watch video number 2 so that you can learn your sentences and then play the online games. All right, goodbye.